Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making roasted chicken fajitas. This easy recipe combines chicken, onions, bell peppers, and spices to make a delicious meal. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cut 3 bell peppers into strips. Then place them into the bottom of a 9 by 13 baking dish. Next, cut 1 onion into strips and place it into the baking dish. Now take 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into thin strips. And then place them into the baking dish. Then drizzle on 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then sprinkle on fajita seasoning. You can either use a store-bought packet or you can make your own. In my previous video, I made homemade fajita seasoning that I'm using in this recipe. I'll link it in the description below if you want to check it out. Toss everything together until it's well coated. Now just roast it in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. And be sure to stir this halfway through. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a wire rack. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the top. And here it is, roasted chicken fajitas. Serve this in a tortilla with your favorite toppings, such as sour cream, salsa, or avocado. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Either use a store-bought packet or you can use your own. In my previous video, I made chicken. I didn't make chicken. In my previous video, I made homemade Oh no!